Assalamu alaikum all J10. Today's subject Honor 75G FENNEX flash file. Software install failed. Restart 100% trusted. Now see your partner, your file send is working. 100% tested. Now see you download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Okay. Next. Oppo 11 Pro CPI is 1969 RAM file. Unlock tool flashing date mode only MTK Prot show. Okay. Next. Infinix Hot 10 Play X668B flash file after flashing date mode. Date only MTK Prot show 100% tested. Next. Infinix X6726 flash file after flashing date mode only MTK Prot show. Next. Infinix X7620 flash file after flashing date mode only MTK Prot show. Next. Infinix X6730 flash file after flashing date only MTK Prot show. Next. Infinix X6838 flash file after flashing date only MTK Prot show. Next. LG VIT 5G ALMG900UM flash file after flashing date only port show 100% tested. Now see you download email on WhatsApp or Telegram join it. Okay. Next. Tecno Go 5G KM8 flash file after flashing date mode only MTK Prot show. Now see you download. Wait, just a minute, wait. Download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Next. Tecno LJ8K 5G after flashing date mode 100% tested. Now see you download email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Wait just a minute. Customer dealings. Wait. Okay. Next. Tecno KNF3 flash file. Next. Poco N3 camera fax. Next. ZT no IME repair no IME null. Okay, all JSON fed, just solution ready. Any file or need, any problem solve. And email on WhatsApp and Telegram join it. Email on WhatsApp number, this WhatsApp number. Okay. WhatsApp number last digit 41 and chat now and 24-hour service. I am waiting for you. Good night, all JSON fed.